Hi, my name is Claudette Martin. I am the Financial Controller for First National Byron. I would like to assist and educate our property owners to gain knowledge and to understand their monthly and end of financial year statements. For privacy, we have crossed out owner and property details. We will look at our monthly statement first. All income is displayed at the top of the statement, noting that each individual receipt is listed. The tenant may pay weekly, fortnightly or monthly. The total income received is displayed. All expenses paid during the month are individually listed. Management fees are also listed individually as per the receipts taken. 2 receipts, 2 management fees. The total of all expenses is displayed. Administration fees are then listed under the ownership, contribution and expenses. The amount transferred to the owner is displayed as ownership account balance. And we see the total amount transferred to the account here. If we manage more than one property for an owner, each property will have a separate breakdown of income and expenses. This owner has 2 properties, as you can see here. So the first property, you have the income, 3 receipts, 3 management fees with a balance. The second property, we have 2 receipts, 2 management fees with a balance. The expenses for administration fees are listed under the ownership contribution expenses. Then we have the ownership account balance, which is transferred to as an ownership payment to your account, as per at the bottom of the statement. Now we will look at the end of financial year statement, which breaks down income and expenses as into monthly columns across the page. So we have July to June listed here. We have owner contributions, which means if an owner pays money into the account, this owner didn't. We then have our property income, which displays outgoings recovered, either water usage, and then our rent, and we have a total. We have property expenses or maintenance and our management fees listed under property expenses. All totals are on the far right-hand side for each individual listed income and expense. The total income reads here, the total expenses reads there. Then we have a property balance. This then comes across and equals the owner payments, which are listed across the page from July to June each year. If an owner has more than one property, each property will have a separate breakdown on this statement as per the monthly report. Here are some of the commonly asked questions. If you are unsure as to an expense on your end of financial year statement, please refer back to your monthly statement and invoices that you would have received at that time. When do owners get paid? Owners can choose to be paid at mid-month, on the 15th day, end of month, or both. How do water rates get paid and reimbursed? First, the owners can choose to send us their water rates direct from council to pay for them. Secondly, rates can come direct to us to pay. This is paid out of the rental income by the due date. The tenant is then sent the invoice to pay to our rental trust. They have 21 days to pay this. We then reimburse you. If the owner chooses to pay the water rates direct to council themselves, they need to ensure to send us a copy of the paid notice so that we can have the tenant reimburse you. We hope that this presentation assists you, our property owners, to gain the knowledge to understand your rental statements. Thank you. We appreciate your time. We encourage you to watch this presentation multiple times, as each time you review, you will gain more of an understanding. If you have any feedback or would like any further information, please contact Lauren at byronbayfn.com.